Bazanni Associates has been around now since the early 80s, and we were always involved with historic preservation and preserving existing building stock and urban renewal kind of work. But then we developed into a green building firm. I was always concerned that these historic buildings had to perform from a energy standpoint. Now we're known as the leader in the green building world. Our sustainability is described as the triple bottom line: economic viability, social responsibility, and environmental integrity. So that's how we measure our success. It isn't just the profitability. It's how we do the entire process, what it means to the community, what it means for the environment. Obviously, our buildings consume about half the energy that other buildings of the same type consume. So we're reducing our carbon footprint by 50%. Significant number. To me, if you're not building a green building, you're building an obsolete building. We choose awnings on many of our buildings to control the sunlight. Simply that, control sunlight, and it provides shelter for our retail clients that walk by the building. It's a multi-use item, and it's very inexpensive for what it delivers. Awnings contributed to our LEED energy and atmosphere credits. We lowered our cooling costs by placing the awnings in the right position and increased passive heat gain in the wintertime. So it gave us some help in the winter and help in the summer. We suspect the awnings give us about 11% better performance in the summer months by controlling sunlight. In the case of One Trick Pony, the awnings gave the building a completed look, and it also provided shelter for their patrons. Our awning design, we worked with Coy's Awning here in Grand Rapids on all of these buildings, and they've done a nice job in working with us and taking our designs and understanding that in the case of our southern exposure buildings, understanding that that awning has to be at a precise location to allow sunlight to enter in September and to block it out in June. Bazanni headquarters here has got a sheet awning just to give it a little different look because the building is a little newer, 1918 in this case, but in the next building here in the same block is the Frederick building. We boxed the awnings in, used a striped one to give it a little different look. Across the street at the Image Shop, we used a nice color awning that worked well with this beautiful green tile that's on the building. And again, gave it a much sharper look and much more attractive to the eye. When I approach owners about redesigning their buildings, we find that awnings are not a hard sell. If you give them the right product and the right design, it really enhances the building, often incorporating signage. It look very nice.